everyone, welcome back. This is Jyoti. You can call me Joe. मेरे साथ है Maddie and
Hi.
Shruti. I hope I
Hello.
pointed in the right directions. But
Otherwise,
how are you girls?
Very
very
good.
good.
How are you doing?
I'm very good. It's all about girl power today because
Mm-hmm.
because I have a girl.
Ooh,
Nice.
lovely.
Yes.
Who? Who are
So,
they?
Nice.
Shruti, your current favorite, it's Rashmeet Kaur.
Rashmeet. Yay!
Ooh,
But
nice.
I think Maddie, you and I heard her in Mask On.
Correct.
She did a
Correct.
bit of the chorus, right? And
Correct. Correct.
lovely voice. So she's part of Kalamkar. And
Mm-hmm.
Shruts and I have reacted to her recent collab with Krishna on his first
Mm-hmm.
single from his new album. And then
Mm-hmm.
we heard her again on,
Raftar.
yes, Raftar
Live
and
wala
her.
show ke liye.
Yes, they did a folk song, a Punjabi folk song. And now I was sent this one, which is Mic Check, which we've seen
Okay.
Karma and Krishna's Mic Check. And now this is
Correct.
Mic
Mm-hmm.
Check with her. And
Mm-hmm.
she is recreating Jugni, traditional inspired by Jugni Rabbi Shergill. So, okay,
Rabbi
maybe a
Shergill,
different
that's what I
Jugni.
was. Haan. But
Haan.
Okay.
Jugni to wahi hai na. Everyone keeps so many Jugni versions are there. Original is a
Correct.
folk song which exists. Everyone keeps
Correct.
making.
Correct.
Does their own sort of
Even
interpretation
Rabbi
of it.
Shergill,
Correct.
हाँ उसने भी जो
Right.
बनाया है वो भी folk song के बाद का
Correct.
था. हाँ.
So
Correct.
hers is the one inspired by Rabbi's Jugni.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
And vocals and composition is her, music producer NSG, and
Mm-hmm.
AK Projects, Mic Check, season 1. So let's do it.
Let's do
Yes.
it.
Her
Ready?
voice is, like I was telling Shruti in the previous reaction, it kind of reminds me of Sukhmani, Hari Sukhmani,
Mm-hmm.
even Avneet Khurmi, the kind of work she's done with Nuclear. Very
Mm-hmm.
nice, folksy, raw sort of feel she's
Voice.
got. She's clearly
Yeah.
Yeah.
trained,
Good
but
lungs.
yeah, and she did a very different. So I saw a different vibe to her in Living Legend and obviously Mask On also. But she does
Mm-hmm.
everything kind of effortlessly. So excited to see what this is about.
Yes.
Chalo, ready?
हाँ.
Chalo.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play. Director Grimm.
ਉਹ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਚੱਲੀ ਦੇਸ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜੰਮੇ ਸੀ ਕਦੀ ਵੇਦ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੜਿਆ ਸੀ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ ਉਹ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਚੱਲੀ ਦੇਸ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜੰਮੇ ਸੀ ਕਦੀ ਵੇਦ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੜਿਆ ਸੀ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ ਕੀ ਬਣਿਆ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਹਾਲ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਉਸਨੇ ਕਮਾਲ ਕੀ ਬਣਿਆ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਜਾਵੜੀ ਅੱਜ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਭੀੜ ਚ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਭੁੱਲੀ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਈ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਉਹ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਜਾਵੜੀ ਅੱਜ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਭੀੜ ਚ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਭੁੱਲੀ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਈ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਇਆ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਤਾ ਤਦ ਮੁੱਕਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਬੇਲਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਇਆ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਤਾ ਦਾ ਬੇਲਾ ਉਹ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਵੇ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਵੇ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਨਾਮ ਗੁਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਨਾਮ ਗੁਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਆ ਅੱਜ ਨਾਮ ਸਾਈਂ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਨਾਮ ਸਾਈਂ ਦਾ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਆ ਹਾਂ ਓ ਓ ਓ
Nice.
Interesting.
मैडी से
Okay.
शुरू करेंगे
Yeah.
आज क्या फील हुआ
Really like her voice. I think the she's got tremendous control over her voice. So I think she's definitely somebody to watch out for. Like like Joe mentioned earlier, I've listened to her in MassCon, but it's a very small
Small portion.
piece that she comes in, and
yeah.
it doesn't showcase her voice as much. So the fact that she gets a solo track is great. I do think that she could be the whole package because she can sing, she clearly can perform, she's very comfortable, and she's very in front of the camera, and she's also a looker, right? So I think as an artist or as a performer, she could be the whole package. As far as the song goes, it kind of reminded me, because this is part of Ravi's debut album, right, of the same name. And
Correct.
I wish they had done more with the track, because the
Yeah.
track sounded monotonous to me. Because I was like, you've got a fabulous voice like hers. Why aren't you pushing her, further? Why aren't you just pushing the envelope a little bit more with the song? Because it just felt like I heard the same thing twice and the song was over. But and I think it could have been better for her to also challenge herself. But it's a song that would play beautifully in a lounge bar. Like I could think of an upscale, lounge bar where you're ordering your cocktail or your drink while you're waiting. I can picture the song playing and it'll sound great. So it's a great sounding track, but I think I am a greedy person when it comes to music, and I want the artist to do a little more with it. So I think I'm just nitpicking, I know, but I think that's my only
grouse with it like
grouse with the song. Yes, yeah. But otherwise, I thought she's one to watch out for. I think she's definitely one to watch out for.
correct
I think Kalamkar really know how to pick their artists.
Mm-hmm.
She ticks all the boxes, and she's got everything, like you said, to be the complete package. And I'm completely with you on that assessment of the track. Sort of personally, again, she's clearly trained, and she can clearly carry a song with her vocals. And I just felt like they could have let her do a lot more and not have so much reverb and all that was going on in the song.
Yes.
It was moving more towards the effects and less towards the vocals, and with a powerful husky soulful sort of voice that she's got. Had she taken Jugni to to a folksy place, or even like a raw sort of place, it would have really
Correct.
had a more stronger impact for me while listening to it.
Correct.
Because
Correct.
yes, perfectly said that it was the same thing sort of repeated. I kind of it made me smile when she did the whole the verses.
Alap.
Even that bit. But the fun part of the lyrics were nicely done. But I just felt like there's a lot more they could have done.
Yeah, like the actual track is Mere Aave Jugni, right? That line you go high. So I think what they've done is they've gone low with the song, right? So what just to kind of give a twist to it, the second verse she could have gone high, because when a song like Jugni, you need to hit the high notes for it to stay with you, because it's a song that is sung in a very high, the scale is high. You really
original is very, very
you
high.
open your throat and you sing, right? Because these are all soulful numbers. You don't really sing at a lower scale. You are like really opening your heart and your throat and you're singing these songs out. So I think
they were going, they were going for that lounge bar.
So I'm going to give, now I'm going to be the devil's advocate. Okay. So now let me tell you what I felt while listening to the whole thing. So when it started, because I've been a fan of Jugni right from the folksy things. I've heard local artists perform Jugni. And when they sing, you guys are bang on that they go fully Jugni, like they go right there. They go to the highest high of the octave and you'll be like, ga kaise rahe hain is level pe,
Exactly.
So they go there. Now, when so many people, so many versions of Jugni exist, if today I pick a song jiske itne versions hain that comparison is inevitable, what will I do with that song? I will give it a spin which hasn't been seen before. Now, everyone who picks Jugni will go the folksy way. A little bit of, even if Western influence comes in, where, one is creating it into a bit of a fusion, you'll still retain the extremely folksy vibe. They did away with the folksy vibe completely. They said इस गाने को बिल्कुल हम वैसा बना देते हैं कि जिसके अंदर like you've got that whole jazz feel going on, you've got the whole a little bit of deep house coming in, but not really, like just like very tinge of it, but still sticking to the whole Jugni feel. सिर्फ pronunciation में और lyrics में folksy feel रहेगा, otherwise बिल्कुल ही हटा देते हैं. So I felt that if I purely looked at it only from that perspective, and I said, okay, so here's a song where we are not comparing it, and we're just going to listen to it, which is very difficult to do because you can't not compare. So just to listen to it with its feel and just go with it. But like Madhura said, and like Jojo, like how you said, that's something more. Like, she's got a strong voice, and that comes out when later she lagaus that a little bit of alap. And wo thoda chai background mein dal dete. If you don't want to mess with the basic structure and the arrangement of the song, don't do it. As undertones, undernotes dal dete. Usse ek wo, the whole modernization of the song would have remained. But at the same time, but overall, will I listen to it? Yeah. Because I'm a Jugni fan. I will listen to it because I'm a Jugni fan. Ab Jugni ka ek aur naya gana aaya hai, to I will listen to it. It's waisa wala feel. But after listening to it, will I then want to listen to, like, Rabbi Shergill's Jugni? Yes. Will I again search up and say,
yes.
Yes.
I was going to ask you that. So it's like eventually the thing is, when there are songs and there are iterations, right? And if you particularly love a track, a cover sometimes does a great job of reminding you how good the original is. So inevitably, it ends up pushing you towards the original, even if you really appreciate what's being done with the cover. And if there are multiple iterations, like you said, Jugni is being handed down for hundreds of years, right? It's been handed down orally. So eventually, anyone, like, I'm sure, Shruts, you have a particular version of Jugni that you will always go back to.
Yes.
So I think, Rashmeet has just reminded you, and after this, you might go back and listen to that on loop. So I suppose it's a nice homage to Jugni. I mean,
it's very evident that they were trying to not sound like the rest of the iterations and the rest of the covers that have been done, or even do the folksy sound once again. It's very evident the producer's NSG clearly wanted to stay away from that sound and give their own feel to it, and that whole lounge feel is what they were going for, and that they've achieved. They've achieved.
Correct.
Very lovely. So we will now say bye-bye, Tata, and listen to Rabbi Shekhar offline.
So now that all three of us are there, like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Especially because hum तीनों हैं यहाँ पे, तो बोलना पड़ता है.
Yes.
Well done, Shruts. See you guys in the next one. Bye.